And lastly, last job of the day, we are doing a 7-way plug on this water tote trailer. Whenever I find the 4-way, here's the 4-way. Good, I'm gonna put a 7-way on the end of this. And this is a 2-inch, I'm gonna change that to a 2 5/16. I got it right here. Let's pop her off. Good, and good. 2 pins off. The new fasteners for this. Good, that one's on, and bottom's on. Tight, and tight. Cool, 2 5/16 is on. He wants a 7-way, so I'm gonna put a 7-way on there. And clipping that off. Brown, green, yellow, white. Perfect. Plug is on. Let's strip and put eyelets on. Hello, how are you? Good. Yeah, I did like 4 trailers here already. I'm about done.
At least you're in one place.
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, right?
All right, checking wiring. Brown to green, green to brown, yellow to red, and white to white. Perfect. Plugged in, tester's on, and remote. Good marker lights. Yeah, good marker light there. Marker lights on the rear. Left turn is good. Right turn is good. Back to marker lights. Front passenger is good. Okay, all lights work. And the water tote trailer's done. 2 5/16 on the ball. Put a new 7-way. Checked all his lights. Left turn, right turn work. Marker lights work. This trailer's done. I'm on to the next.